What's going on, guys? Chris here with Tactical Outdoorsman, and today we're going to be talking about the Bushnell Lil P, so stick around. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the Bushnell Lil P. We're going to take it down to a tabletop review. We're going to go over it in detail, and we'll talk about some of the specs and some of the pros about this little guy. Okay, guys, here we are. So, the Bushnell Lil P. This little guy, you can see here, is your battery compartment. So it's going to be a CR 2032 battery. And according to the website, you're going to get up to 50,000 hours of battery life on this. Now, keep in mind, it doesn't say how long it'll last on the lowest illumination setting versus the highest illumination setting. So that is going to be different, obviously, between the two and in between. Okay, we've gone ahead and flipped this around, and you can see your brightness up and your brightness down. So, the brightness up or down, clicking it once will turn on the illumination, and holding the down arrow for 2 seconds will shut the illumination off. To turn it back on, as I mentioned just now, to click either one of them and it'll bring you back to whatever your previous brightness setting was. So that's a good feature. If you do forget this on, this does have an automatic shut off in 2 hours, so you're not going to completely drain your battery. Now, the windage and elevation here. So those are going to be up to 100 MOA range, and one click is going to be 1 MOA on both of those turrets. Now, on the back here, you have a diopter, and this is to focus the reticle to your eye. So that's a nice feature there. The reticle on this optic is going to be an etched reticle, and obviously illuminated. So benefits of that are, if your battery dies, you're still going to be able to see your reticle. So that's a big plus for a lot of people. Another one of the big things is for people who have an astigmatism. So those people that are using the traditional red dots are probably noticing a fuzzy dot or a blurry dot, and that's due to the astigmatism in their eye. So that is something that you're not going to get with an etched reticle on this Lil P prismatic optic. Okay, so that's a huge plus. Now, the dimensions on the tube here, this is an 11mm tube, and I'll bring a Bushnell TRS 26 up here, and we'll compare them side by side so you can see the difference between the 26mm tube and the 11mm tube. As you can see on these pictures, there's a significant difference in the size of the tube. So the 26mm you can see on the TRS 26 is way bigger, so it's going to give you a better field of view, but you could also see, and it's one of the biggest comments on the TRS 26, is the color on the glass kind of gives you a little bit of a blue tinge when you're looking through it, and that's not something that you have with the Lil P. But then again, on that, your field of view is going to be a lot smaller with just the 11mm tube. So for me, I think that this Lil P would be great for something like a compact AR pistol, an SBR, maybe something like a truck gun, or something that you want to keep around in a secured location in your home for self-protection. I think this guy would work out great, particularly because the reticle is etched and you're not going to constantly have to worry about being able to turn on a illuminated reticle. Now, this sight is going to be nitrogen purged, so you're not going to get fogging when going in between extreme temperatures. So somewhere warm going out into the cold, that's going to prevent the fogging. These guys are fully waterproof, so these can be submerged, so that's definitely a plus. Alright, so let's get some of the specs up on the screen here. So this is directly off of their website. I'll save you the trip over there. But we'll leave this up here for a second. If you're interested in this, feel free to pause and read through it. If not, we'll go ahead and move on. Alright guys, there you have it. It's the Bushnell Lil P tabletop review. So if you're interested, go out there and grab yourself one and do some practice. Until the next time, stay safe and we'll see you soon.